good! Presents!
What's that for?
Which one's for me? Oh, this one's for me.
Xbox 360.
An Xbox 360.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a controller!
Oh, Joseph got a controller.
Oh, it's a controller. So we can actually.
Wait. You gotta read it. Who's it for? For Bella.
And here is one for me. Oh my god.
What
is it gonna be?
For?
That's for Danny.
Oh my god.
You like it, Danny?
Okay.
Cool. Oh, Bella, what'd you get?
Midnight Club.
What is it? Oh, very cool.
What do you?
All right, and that one, what is that, Joseph?
This is rated T. You do realize that?
I don't
And
care.
I
That
got Xbox 360.
Where's that? Oh, that's for Joseph.
Give it to
This is
me.
for Joseph.
What is it? What is it? Oh, look, a new tablet. Yay!
That's really cute. That's really ugly.
What kind of, what is that tablet? Headline.
I have no clue.
Read it.
I got Xbox 360.
You did? Oh, yeah.
Google Play. That's all I can see.
You can actually record with that one, I think.
Yeah, but with this one I can record too.
This
All right.
for Ika.
What is this?
Xbox 360.
This is for Danny. Danny.
Oh, this one's for who's it? This might be mine. One more thing. Yep, this one's mine. Oh yeah, don't forget we have this. Today is amazing. And this is. Oh my God, we got Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare, dude. Oh my God, you can play Plants vs Zombies.
Whoa, dude.
And I'm pretty sure this is another game. And I asked for a
Bella,
Minecraft Xbox.
you're so lucky. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Yep, it's Minecraft Xbox.
Hey, let's go downstairs and put that on your thing. Come on, we gotta get the paint.
Okay, so part 2 will be up later.